Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a deep dive into the 2025 Mazda 3. This iteration of Mazda's beloved compact car promises to elevate driving pleasure to new heights. Let's explore what this model brings to the table. Starting with power and performance, the 2025 Mazda 3 continues to impress with its dynamic capabilities. It features a choice between two engines: a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine producing 250 horsepower and 320 lb-ft of torque, or a 2.0-liter engine delivering 155 horsepower. Both engines are designed to offer a balanced mix of power and efficiency. Both engine options are designed with efficiency in mind. Mazda's SkyActiv technology optimizes fuel consumption without compromising performance. While specific fuel economy figures may vary based on trim and driving conditions, the 2025 Mazda 3 is expected to maintain its reputation for fuel efficiency. Step inside. The 2025 Mazda 3 boasts a refined and driver-focused interior. Highlights include a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system, premium materials, and a modern design that emphasizes comfort and usability. The 2025 Mazda 3 is anticipated to arrive in dealerships in late 2024. Pricing information will be officially released closer to the launch date. However, based on previous model years, it's expected to remain competitive within the compact car segment. The 2025 Mazda 3 combines sporty performance, advanced technology, and a luxurious interior, making it a compelling choice in the compact car segment. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest vehicles. See you next time.